welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this device, which basically helps you sit up straight. And it comes with all the directions on exactly how to use it. So just put it on, undo the Velcro, and then tighten. So this is what the device looks like on the back. So let's put it on. And then here's the Velcro that we take off here and here. And then let's go ahead and tighten it. Tighten it. And then pull it back up. And that is how you strap it in so that it fits you. And there you have it. And I definitely am sitting up a lot straighter this way. So if you need a little bit of help or just a reminder, not to slouch, this is a great tool to use. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like. If you want to check it out and learn more information about it, check out the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.